So,
Good day, Teacher Shem. I hope that you are in a good situation. And thank you for your love and kindness for us, even though we don't have communication. So, for so many years that you always support us, one thing that I understand, I highly appreciated your compassion and how to deal with other people's. And this is why I understand to you that it's not about the struggles we have, but the love that from the Lord. And I just inform you that this year is my graduation and the expected date that school was given to us is July. July is it's my graduation and I just want to inform you that thank you. Thank you for your supporting me and Stephanie for my studying and I pursue after I graduate and I just gonna take my LET exam for me to have a license for a teachers. And this year I just gonna continue discipleship. Discipleship just like what you did before. 4 years ago, yeah, alright. So thank you for your love and I hope we will see you soon. You are in a good situation. Thank you.